Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to use concat function in MS Excel. So the concat function basically works similar to the concatenate, but it has some additional advantage that we will learn today. Okay, now in the concat function what we are going to learn today is we have first name and second name, so we have to merge it and we should get a full name, and we also have a company name and we require a company mail ID here with the first name. This is our first task. And second task we have for an example, this I'll explain you later. So before moving to our video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe our channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find approximately 305 plus videos that will help you in cracking the interviews on Six Sigma certification, trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, quality manager, team leader, Six Sigma certification, Scrum Master, statistics, project management, reports, dashboards in Excel. Many more videos are there. Please do check and crack your interview easily, guys. Okay, so today we will start this function. So what I need to do is, it's a basic like concat equal to concat. Okay, so we got a concat, then I have to choose first name, then comma, then I will choose the last name and bracket close. Okay, if I did this, there is no space here, right? So how we get the space in between of this both the cells? What I'll do, I will add end function, I'll give two double quotes, I'll give space between them. Now we can see, and I'll drag this formula, so all the first name and last name got copied. So we got a full name here. Now we need an email address with the first name and the company name, okay, and with @.com even, because we only have a company name here, we require the additional information too. So what I'll do, equal to concat. Okay, now first thing I required the name, and second I required the company name. Let me do this first. Okay, I got this both the details. Now I required Ramesh @ I required @ between this name. So after E7 I will add end function, I will add a bracket, I will add @, I will add double quotes, then @, then double quotes. Let me enter it. If you do that, you got Ramesh @ ABC. We got these two information. Yeah, we got these two information. Now I required Ramesh @ wipro.com. I required .com also. So how can I do this .com? I will add end function in the end, then I will add .com and I'll close it. Okay, again I can show you guys. You can see here concatenate first name E7, then I will add end, then in double quotes I will add @, then comma, then second cell that is company name which is at G7, then I will again add end, then in double quotes I will add .com. In this way I got the entire mail ID. Let me drag this to the last, and yeah, here we go, it's working successfully, right? Now this is one thing. Now second thing, guys, this is something you need to understand with the help of example. For an example, you're working on ticketing portal or call IDs. Okay, so every call ID have a unique link. The link will remain same, only the ID get changed in the end or middle, wherever they have added the exact formula. Okay, now we need to merge the unique ID with the case IDs. Case ID means caller ID, ticket ID, whatever ID we got. I'm taking one example here like Zira.com. Zira.com have multiple tickets. Let's consider we got a ticket ID like 1001 and etc. Now I need to create a URL with it, so that if I click on this link, definitely it will redirect me to the exact link of the 1001 case. Understood? So I need to do that. How I can do? Equal to, okay, sorry, except I need to do it here. Okay, equal to concat bracket open. Oh, it's already done, that's the reason. Concat bracket open, I have chosen F16. Okay, let me give you example very clearly. I will choose F16 which is my URL, then I'll give a comma and I will add the case ID, right? Bracket close. what we received jira.com and the case ID we have received, but what we required slash in between them, right? We required slash. So how I can do that? So F16, after F16 I will add end in, I will add two open bracket, two double quotes, I will add a forward slash here, then enter. In this way I got the answer. So jira.com/1001. Now this will directly lead me to that particular case ID as an URL form. Otherwise what you will do, you will copy the case ID to the tool, you will search and you will open it. So it's better, right? You can use the formula and you can do it. Now what happens, sometimes you will get the URL with the unique IDs. Okay, those IDs will be in the starting, middle, right, left, wherever it is, and our managers will ask you to get the case ID from that unique URL. How can I get that? So don't worry about this case ID. Case ID is nothing but caller ID, ticket ID, whatever unique ID we have to track that particular case. Okay, to get that I will use a formula here. Now for me, my all the you can see here, for me my all the IDs are at the last, right, and all are like 4-digit number. So what I'll do equal to, I'll do write function, GHT write function, I will open bracket, I will choose the case ID URL, then I will comma, I will add 4, which means last 4 digit I required. I got the case IDs directly. I will drag this formula to the last, and in this way I'll get all my case IDs from the URLs or unique case ID, guys. So this is the main use of the this function, concat function. Do use it, guys, on your all the existing tools and on your dashboards, and let me know if you find any challenges. So this is all about contact function. Still have any doubt? Our feedback sessions are always open. Please share your comments. Don't miss to like this video if you got a clear understanding on the concept of what you are looking for. Then please do like and share your comments too, and don't get stuck here. Please mandatory go to our playlist. You will find approximately 100+ shorts videos on new tricks, tips, EPFO related information and many more, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Take care.